How to enable Widevine L1 on your Xiaomi Poco F1. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable Widevine L1 support on your Xiaomi Poco F1 to watch HD content. Let us first go into settings, go into about phone, and as you can see right now I'm running MIUI Global Stable 10.3.4.0. So this is the MIUI stable version which you need to be on to enable Widevine L1 on your Xiaomi Poco F1. If you're running any other version, then this process will not work. How do you update to MIUI 10.3.4.0? Well, I have a separate video for that which is linked in the description of this video, and it will also pop up as a card on the top right of your screen. Next thing, let's go ahead and open the DRM info application, and my current security level is mentioned as L3. Do note, once we enable Widevine L1 support on our Poco F1, the DRM info app is not the best application to check it. However, I know I will get a lot of questions that DRM info app is still showing L3, so which is why we are just checking the DRM info app and see how it works once we enable Widevine L1 on a Xiaomi Poco F1. Now, how do you enable Widevine L1? Well, you need to go into settings, and then you need to scroll down, go into lock screen and password, and make sure you have a fingerprint added. If you do not have a fingerprint added, like I do not have a fingerprint added on my Poco F1 right now, then go ahead and add a fingerprint. So click on add fingerprint. It will ask you whether you want to choose a screen lock as pattern, pin or password. I will choose pin. Click on got it, and then I need to choose a pin, which I will do. Once you have added a pin, it will ask you to add a fingerprint. So let me go ahead and add a fingerprint. There it is, the fingerprint was added successfully. Once you've added your fingerprint successfully, click on done. Once you're back on the manage fingerprints screen, you need to click on this option which says fingerprint payments. Over here you will see an option for Widevine in brackets L1. At this point you need to make sure that you are connected to the internet, and then you need to click on this button called certificate. Right now you can see there is no certificate update date over here, so you click on certificate and then it will download the certificate from the internet, and you will have a certificate update date populated over here, as you can see. Once this is done, we have enabled Widevine L1 on our Xiaomi Poco F1. This is the best way to check whether you have Widevine L1 support on your Poco F1 or not. Now, for those of you peeps who will ask me about DRM info application, let's open the DRM info application, and as you can see, it is still showing the security level as L3, whereas we already confirmed and downloaded that we have Widevine L1. Let me try one more thing. Let me go ahead and kill all the applications and open DRM info application one more time to see if the security level changes to L1. No, it is still at L3. Next thing, let me try here to reboot my Poco F1. So I've just rebooted my Poco F1. Let's open the DRM info application one more time, and the security level is still L3. Let's now go into settings and then scroll down, go into lock screen and password, manage fingerprints, enter your password, click on fingerprint payments, click on Widevine L1, and there it is. You can see the certificate update is set as 10th of April 2019, which is the date of recording this video, and this confirms that we have Widevine L1 on a Xiaomi Poco F1. Do not rely on DRM info application because it's not updating right away. It might take a few minutes to a few hours. I'm not sure on that, but this is the best place where you can check Widevine L1 support for your Xiaomi Poco F1. Now, as for the HD streaming content, at the time of recording this video, you can stream HD content on Hotstar if you have an account, on Amazon if you have a locked bootloader. As soon as you unlock the bootloader on your Poco F1, you cannot view HD content on Amazon Prime videos. This is something which Amazon does, nothing Xiaomi can do to control it. As for Netflix, Xiaomi and Netflix are still working to get HD content available on the Poco F1 after enabling Widevine L1, and I do not know how much time that is going to take. That's it for this video, peeps. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.